Welcome to the first core video in our Operations Management series for Unit 3, Area of Study 3 in VCE Business Management. In this video, we are going to explore what operations management actually is, and why it's so important to business success. If you've ever ordered a product online, had a meal at a restaurant, or downloaded a service on your phone, you've experienced the output of operations. But behind that output is a whole system of planning, people, processes, and resources that need to work together, and that's what operations management is all about. Let's break it down. Part 1. Definition of operations management. Operations management is the coordination of resources and activities within a business to produce goods and services. It's about managing the day-to-day systems that turn inputs, like raw materials, time, labor, and technology, into outputs, which are the final products or services delivered to customers. This could be a cafe transforming milk, beans, and staff time into a perfect flat white. Or it could be a software company transforming code and design into a working app. In both cases, operations management is the engine room of the business. Part 2. Operations and business objectives. Operations management doesn't operate in a vacuum. It plays a central role in helping a business achieve its objectives, whether that's increasing profit, improving productivity, reducing waste, or enhancing customer satisfaction. Think about it. If a business can produce high-quality goods using fewer inputs, say, by minimizing waste or automating certain tasks, that directly reduces costs and increases efficiency. And when customers receive reliable, well-made products or services, that helps boost sales and repeat business. In other words, well-managed operations equals better performance equals progress toward business goals. Part 3. Key responsibilities of operations managers. Operations managers have a big job. They're responsible for managing resources like materials, staff, and equipment, overseeing production timelines and delivery, monitoring quality and efficiency, identifying areas for improvement, aligning operational decisions with overall business strategy. In a small business, the owner might be the operations manager. In a larger company, it's a specialized role that often works closely with marketing, finance, and HR to ensure everything runs smoothly. Part 4. Operations in manufacturing vs service businesses. Operations looks a little different depending on the type of business. So let's look at the difference between manufacturing and service businesses. A manufacturing business produces tangible goods, things you can see and touch. These goods are usually produced in advance, stored in inventory, and delivered to the customer later. For example, a car manufacturer or a furniture company. A service business, on the other hand, provides intangible outputs, like experiences or expertise. These are usually produced and consumed at the same time. Think of a hairdresser, an accountant, or a fitness instructor. Here's a quick comparison to help clarify. Manufacturing businesses rely more heavily on machinery and production lines. Service businesses rely more on human interaction and skill. Manufactured goods can be standardized, while services are often customized. Both types of businesses still need operations systems, but how those systems are designed and managed depends on the nature of the output. So, to recap, operations management is about planning, organizing, and controlling the resources used to produce goods and services. It plays a key role in achieving business objectives, from boosting profit to improving customer satisfaction. The nature of operations differs between manufacturing and service businesses, but the goal is the same: to deliver value to customers efficiently and effectively. Throughout this area of study, we'll explore how businesses improve their operations through strategies like technology, quality management, lean production, CSR, and even global supply chains. But it all starts here, with a clear understanding of what operations management is and why it matters. In the next video, we'll look at the 3 key elements of the operations system: inputs, processes, and outputs, and see how they interact to create the goods and services we use every day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the video description for study notes and practice questions to help reinforce your learning.